Lovelies, good morning. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly if you want to be a social media entrepreneur, there are different things. You can be a social media entrepreneur or you can be a social media personnel when you are not aiming at making money with your social media. But this video is going to show you in 2026 there are some individuals who say we want to be social media entrepreneurs, we want to make money with a smartphone and with our social media platform that we are already on, or we want to venture in, but they don't know how to start with. There's a narrative, there are a lot of things that are going around. Most people think if for you to be a social media person you have to be this, for you to be this you have to be an influencer. There are a lot of things that are in people's mind, thinking that for you to be a social media person, you have to be the other. But in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly the basic things for you to start with as a social media entrepreneur. I mean a person who wants to start saying that every day I want to get, if I don't get $10, I want to get $1. Disclaimer, social media entrepreneurship, like the way you've had entrepreneurship, is like any other business. You are not going to start today and start pracking money like as if it is somewhere. You have to work for it. So I want every individual that says in 2026, by December, I want to come back here and say, Ime, thank you very much. I'm getting dollars. Social media, you can use it as your side income, and at the same time, some people are using it as their full-time venture as far as earning their primary as earning is concerned. So this is Immaculate on Immaculate Show, the lady that says I cannot hold a smartphone and beg for bread. Let me beg something bigger, but not a bread and chai and tea and mocktail. No, you can beg something bigger. You guys, do you have any project that you have in your mind? So I want you to open up your mindset and know that social media is like any other project. That the one you say, I want to start this kind of business, you want to start this kind of business. This is how social media is. Yes. So today I will show you the basics, the friendly. You don't need to invest anything. You don't need to go and break the bank to start your social media entrepreneur journey. No, I'm referring to my journey that I started 5 years back. I started with nothing. So before that, allow me to say disclaimer. This video is not to entice you, to tell you that if you start social media today, you're going to be rich. No. I'm giving you 10% of the things the tips that I'm using and even other people have used. These are educational purposes, by the way. This video, take it as education purpose. What you take is 10%, even less than 10%. 90% you go and search it for yourself. If you feel you can do it, you continue and do it. You guys, allow me to say thank you to all engagers that have engaged us on all social media platforms. You're awesome. In these 5 years of us as Immaculate Show, we have enjoyed because you care so much. God bless you all. And to you, the family members that just joined us, I love you so much. You guys, have you subscribed? Have you followed? You guys, here we only bring for you tips. We make a family. So join our struggle or join our channel and we start off. Now guys, without even going very far, let's start this. It is clearly for people who are beginning, not for people who are already mastering and they need big things. No. In 2026, what I want you to do, I want you to look at yourself. Do you have a smartphone? If you have a smartphone, of which if you're looking at me, all that I've taken for you this, I know you have a smartphone. And when you're talking about a smartphone, irrespective of which brand, irrespective of how much you bought it, it's a smartphone. Provided you can use it on Facebook, on TikTok, on Instagram, on YouTube, on Twitter, all. If you know you can do that, you can edit something, you can take a photo, it's a smartphone. The moment you have that smartphone, the second thing I want you to see that you have is to have access to data. Because you will be needing data, you'll be needing internet, you'll be needing bundles, at least in one or the other, for you to make sure that you do this project of being a social media entrepreneur. Then the third one is interest or love. If you don't love something, even if they give you everything, you will not start being a social media entrepreneur. Maybe you'll end up being a social media, be there and vibe and have fun. Most people on social media, almost 99% of people who are on social media are just vibing, are having fun. They are not there as entrepreneurs. But if you're an entrepreneur, you have to have what we call interest, love, and focus. How do you do interest and love focus? It is like any other business. When you're going to start a business, you sit down and ask yourself, what I'm interested in doing this business. I want to do second-hand clothes. I want to do I want to start a butcher. I want to start a bakery. I want to start this. This is what I mean. You have to have love for what you are going to do. So after being interested and falling in love with social media entrepreneurs, the next one, you have to make sure you look for a project. A project is a niche. A niche is like the business you want to start doing on social media with your smartphone. If you're in the other world of physical business, you're going to feel, okay, if I want to start a hardware, it's a project. So here on social media, they are called niches. Different things like lifestyle, different things like education, different things like tutorials. You know, recent I had someone saying that people with the lifestyle are not niches. No, that is a lie. A lifestyle is like, for example, today I decided to make this video. Let me clad in my yellow in respect for my party. I'm a member, so I'm like, let me put it on. I celebrate with them. So this, if I wanted, I would say, get ready with me in yellow. Okay, you get it. So there are different niches. What you love or what you don't love, or what you feel like, if I wake up in the morning, even if I don't have time, I can do something. And when we're talking about this, we're not talking about only videos. We're talking about photos. We're talking about write-ups, text. We're talking about reels. There are a lot of things, blogs. You can ebooks. You mention but a few. So the moment you get your niche, the next one is to make sure you start preparations. Preparations here I sum up, like, for example, you know, I'm going to be doing my photos on this on this place. Here you need light. It's not a must that you should be having a ring light. No, you can use natural light because you are starting up. You're just falling in love. So step by step, you are going to reach that step of ring light. Then from there, you know, okay, I need to learn and I need to relearn. But without forgetting that you have to put a schedule. A project has to have a schedule. Since you don't have staff, you don't have anybody, so you are going to put a schedule and say this and this and this and this and that. So the moment you put a schedule, you start learning, relearning. How do you learn? You're going to learn on how to edit. Even photos you edit, because there are some photos, the quality, the resolution that is payable. If all these ones you'll come to learn about them. It's not about posting a nice posed photo. It's about posting a photo that will give you money out of it. It's not about posting a text. It's about posting a text or a write-up that is going to give you money. That's all. That one is now called an entrepreneur. But there is another person of you who is posting either for vibe, either for retaliation, either for anything else. But you are going to post for money. So when you get this, you start from there. Without forgetting, select a platform that you're going to begin with. The platform that you feel is so close to you. Without forgetting that you look for a platform that you know it will be easier for me to start earning. The day you get your first dollar, you'll come and thank me later. Meanwhile, you can go to the comment section and let me know which platform do you want to begin with. Then from there, we can begin. So guys, I'm humbled. Thank you for being here. See you in another video. But let me know if you have anything that you want me to make a video on. God bless you. See you in another video.